Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to half swipe on Snapchat. To half swipe on Snapchat, start by opening the Snapchat application on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the camera screen and locate the small message icon in the bottom menu. For those unfamiliar with half swiping, it's a clever trick that lets you view a message without alerting the sender that you have seen it. Now, to execute a half swipe, choose the specific message you want to view. In this example, I will use a message sent to my friend. Then, simply tap the avatar associated with the message and simultaneously swipe to the right. This action will reveal the message partially. However, if you swipe all the way, it will open the message. To avoid notifying the sender, tap and hold the message without releasing it. This allows you to see the content without officially registering as viewed. Once you've finished checking the message, slide it back to the left and release it. This is the essence of half swiping on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.